Hello guys, you are welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to realize this design. This is a church flyer design and I'll be committed to show you how to come out with a layout. So please, if you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button now. I also would like you to like this video because the more you like this video, many people get access to it. And it will also be interesting for you to help me and share the video. So right, we'll be going to our Pixellab workspace. Okay, so we are Pixellab working space now. The first thing I'll be doing here, I will go to choose my design size. So I'm going to click here, those three dots. Then I will choose the option for image size, this one, image size. Okay, so the image size I'll be choosing here will be 535 693. The height will be at 693. Okay, so we have something of this sort. So I'll be importing the background now. So this is the background I'll be using. Just enlarge to cover the entire surface of your screen. Okay. Let me bring in the various speakers. This is the first speaker we shall be using. Let me go away to import the second speaker. And this is the second speaker. So what we do now is we enlarge to a certain size. Let me see, the size of this speaker is, you go to your relative size. So the width is 53 and the height is 61. Make sure that you have the same size. Here will be the same 63 and 20 and 53 61, right? Let me see, 53 and 61. Okay, let me see, this should be 61, this should be 53. Oops, this does not have 53. Okay, let us leave it out. Oh, I have distorted the shape. So I'll just go back to its original shape and let me see. Let me enlarge in a regular manner. Okay. Let me just reduce this one a bit. Reduce this a bit. I think they are okay this way. Okay, so if you look at this bottom, you see that it's very sharp, right? I want to blend that now with the background. So what I will do, I'll go to shape, create my gradient shape. So yeah, I'll click on gradient. I go to this black and white. Yes, now click on this plus sign. So we have two bars. This is the first bar, this is the second bar. So this icon under this first bar, this icon, I'm going to click on this icon. Then now I reduce this one towards my left. So what I have here is a transparent color. So I will just take this further a bit. Then I click on OK. So the color of this, I'll click on OK. Now I have this is the gradient color. So the color of this, I'll be using the color of the background. I'll come to the color tool, I choose the color tool. I want to pick that purple color. I want to pick that purple color. So what I will do, I will click on this plus sign here, right? And I click on my color picker tool. This is my color picker tool here. We use that tool to pick a color. So now I'll click on the background and I choose this color. Yeah, so this is our purple color now. So I have picked that color. So what I will do, I will just regulate the size and fit it at its respective position where it has to be. Yeah, so I have blend now the image to the background. Okay, so I need to do some further work now. So let me put in the title, the theme, sorry, a 3 days crusade, a 3 days. So I'll just leave it here. So which color will I be using here? Let me see. I will still come back to my color tool, click on gradient. I want to use a gradient color. This is a color I've already formed. Yeah, but I want to show you how I realize this color. So after clicking on that gradient, right, I'll click on black and white. Then I'll click on this plus sign. You still see our toolbars here. I'll click on this color tool directly under the first bar. Then I'll go to my color picker tool. I'll come to this background. Now for that first bar, we take this color, the purple color. Okay, now I come to the second bar. I click on that color icon, click on my color picker tool. Then now for this other one, click but on the upper end of this color. Remember the lower end is purple, right? So I will just click on this lighter end. So this is what I have now. Yeah, this is what I have. Okay, that's how that color was formed. But that font type, I don't like that font type. I want to change that font type. So the font type I'll be using here, let me see what I'll be using as the font type. So I'll just come here and type yeah, so this is a font type I'll be using. So you can just go and download Zincell Black. Yeah, Zincell Black fonts download. So after I download, you install. So that's what I'll be using. Okay, now being here now, what I will do is I will come to my, those letters are too spaced. So I'll come to my spacing tool. I reduce the spacing to -10 and enlarge a bit and make sure that it is at the center. So I'll come to my relative position tool, click the upper end. So it is at the center. So I'll just copy this and I type Crusade program. Okay, so I'll make sure I reduce the size. Reduce it in such a way that it is well fitted under the first word. Okay, I think it's okay. So I'll just shift it up a bit. Okay, 3 days crusade program. So I want to put the theme. Always make sure that it is at the center. Now I want to make sure that these two sentences are at the center. So what I will do is I will click here. Then I check these boxes. The two boxes containing or representing those words or sentences. So now we click on this. This might be, I choose the relative position tool. Then now make sure I place now the center. Yeah, so they are now placed at the center. So what I will do now is I will bring in my shape, put the radius at 3, go here, change the shape of this, the color of this shape, and I arrange it to fit well under this. Okay, it is well fitted. So what I will do now, we just type my theme, capital letters. The font I'll be using here for that theme is Montserrat Medium. Then the color, I'll change the color to yellow. So I'll reduce the size and place here. So what's the theme of this crusade program? It's "Oh God, my case is settled." Okay, so I'll leave it at white. On the color will be white. And which font will I be using? let me type the font. It's the same font as this one. I'll be using this font. Zinzel decorative. This one is what I'll be using. Okay. So still I will reduce the spacing and the size. Let me leave the spacing to the normal one. So let me just increase the size a bit. Oh god, my case is settled. Okay, so that is that. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to put in the dates and the time. Before I do that, let me bring these speakers down a bit. Okay, so let me bring my date icon. So this is the date icon. I'll just crop the area where I have the icon. So now we'll reduce this. So which date will I be using? Since this is a fictional flyer, let me just put any dates. Okay, so what I will do here now is change the color to black. Then the font type will be Montserrat medium. Reduce the size and place here. So what's the size? Let me put the size at 15, right? Or let me increase again at 18. It's okay this way. Okay, so this date icon, what I will do, I'll copy it. I'll copy this date icon and I crop out. From there I will choose the date icon, the time icon. So bring it down. Alright, so I'll copy this. That time will be 5 p.m. daily. Okay, so I always like that all my elements are centralized. This is better. Okay, so each time, even if you are a newbie, a beginner in graphic designing, what you must take note is, make sure that you well respect design principles like alignment, hierarchy, all those things. Yeah, for that is the key to a quality design. Respect your design quality. Always make sure that they are aligned either at the left, center, or right. So what am I going to do next? Okay, now this program 23rd is a Sunday. Remember, it's a fictional program, may not actually be a Sunday on a calendar. Now assuming that 23rd is a Sunday, and so we have a different start date to the others. So Sunday 23rd. That is too big. Reduce the size. The font type is Montserrat medium. The color. Okay. Let me leave this one first. Or let me just finish with it. So I will copy this date icon and place here. Okay. Just follow what I'm doing. And please, if you are still watching this video, you have not yet subscribed, please, I'll give you 5 seconds to subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much for subscribing. And if you are still watching and you have not yet liked this video, I'm still giving you 5 seconds to like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing this video. And I'll plead on you that after watching this video, please share so that people can also get access to it. And turn on that notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video on my channel. Okay, so let's continue. And what's the time? The time on Sunday will be 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Alright. Let me increase this a bit. You must take note of the various sizes. Alright. So the next thing I'll put here is the venue. So what's the venue? Make sure I want to align the venue with this one. Yeah, so I must make sure that the venue where aligns with that. So the color of the venue will be a yellow color. Okay, so what font type will I use here? The font type I'll be using here is Montserrat Medium, and I'll reduce the size to 25. Okay, so what's the venue? Let me just type the venue. Yeah, so this is the venue. Remember, this venue too is fictional. This venue is not real. So whatever I've written there, I don't know where it is located. So I'll just position it well under here. You look at that line spacing, it's too much. Let me reduce the line spacing. Okay. By all costs, your design must look good. Okay. So I think it's okay this way. So what needs to be done next is to feed in the names of the speakers. So for the first speaker is Reverend Dr. Mike Oye. That's a fictional name. So is the host. Okay, the second speaker. Okay, So I just need to put in some other few informations on that. Before I do that, let me work with it. I've not input the name of the church. Let me import the logo of the church. So this is the logo we shall be using. Okay, put the logo at the center. So what's the name of the church? I'm going to put in a fictional name here. Healing Grace Ministries International. Okay. Okay. Healing Grace Ministry International present a 3 days crusade. So that is it. So I just have to put some few footnotes here. The footnote I'll be putting here. Let me see. Okay, so let me just input a shape. So on Facebook they are what? Healing Grace Ministry. Healing change this color to black. Alright, so this is the contact. If you want to get to the ministry, you can contact via this number. Okay, so what next? What needs to be put again? Alright, so at least we have gone some length in the design just to show you how to carve this out. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit on that subscribe. If your subscribe button is still showing red, it means you have not yet subscribed. Please hit on that subscribe button. Or if it is showing black, it means you have not subscribed. Whether red or black, if you know you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Like this video because I want this video to go very far. And I also like to get your comments, please, in the comment box. Drop in your comment. Do you have any worry on flyer design, just drop it there. And I would like to pass on this few announcement that I am hosting a design class where you can learn how to design real and professional flyers. The link is in the description. Just click on the link and it will redirect you to the site where you have to get engaged. I also have a community of designers in WhatsApp. If you want to join that community, just click on the link and it will take you to where other professional designers are. That will help to sharpen your skills and help you go further. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.